What's the meaning of antipodes? Antipodes. 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 Antipodes.
The term antipodes refers to the diametrically opposite points on the Earth's surface. This means that if someone is standing at a particular location, their antipodal point would be exactly on the opposite side of the Earth. The concept of antipodes has been used in different contexts, such as geography, astronomy, and even literature. In some cultures, it is believed that there are mystical connections between antipodal points. Overall, the term antipodes signifies the idea of diametrical opposition or contrast.